You like these nails I did?
They're beautiful. You
They
did a
look
great
good,
job.
huh? Awesome.
Say, I'm sorry.
They look good. You like it?
Very much. Thank
Okay,
you.
cool.
Thank you.
Your total today, just $60 for your fills.
Oh, that's a lot, huh?
That's what you always pay.
Oh, do I?
Yeah, $60. 60.
I don't always remember.
It's okay.
Okay.
It's okay.
Let me get in my purse, okay?
You got it. You got it. Take your time, okay?
Okay.
Sweet lady.
Hold on now. You said 60?
Yes, 60.
Okay.
60.
Hold on. Hold
Okay,
on.
go ahead. Take your time.
Oh, here's a 20.
Oh, okay.
So how much more?
40.
Okay.
40.
Okay, I got it. I got it. 1, 2,
I got you. I got you.
3. Is there 2 of them?
You gave me 3, so you
Three,
have
three.
$37 more to go.
Okay, okay. 4. So that's 40?
Yep. No. You only gave me 24.
Oh, not 40 plus 20?
No.
Hold on.
You still
hold
owe
on.
me like $36.
Okay, I'm sure I have it in change here.
You know what, ma'am?
1.
You know, it's getting really late. I gotta be home. Why don't you just why don't I take this? You give me back the rest. You owe me $36. Come back tomorrow and I'll take you the rest of it. Just put it in this bag and give it to me. You don't
So
have to.
you're going to trust me?
You seem like a nice person. Don't worry about it, okay?
I've been here before.
Yes,
so
you have.
Trust me.
Yes, you have.
Okay,
I seen you
okay.
here.
Well, I hope I remember to come back tomorrow.
Well, I hope you do too. I hope
Okay,
you do too.
Because you did a good job.
Thank you. Well, have a good night.
Thank you very much.
Yes, okay.
Thank you.
I'll write it down.
So, yeah, write it down because you said it's $22 more?
No, 35. 35.
$35 more.
Yes, 35.
And you don't want me to count out my change?
It's getting kind of late, ma'am. Just go ahead and finish it up. I don't feel like you have enough in there, but just bring it back.
Okay, well, I'll have to check under my mattress.
Okay. Wow. All right. Just have a good night.
All right. Thank you so much.
Okay. Come back tomorrow. We're open at 10.
Are you going to open the door for me?
Yeah. I'll open the door for you, but the door's open already. Just go ahead. I'll see you. Take care, okay?
No problem. No
Here.
problem. Thank you.
Have a good one.
Oh, you too.
Take care.
Sucker.